What's good, YouTube? Hey, thanks for stopping by, checking out the video. All right, what I'm gonna show y'all is just a workout I did one day at lunch, man, just to show you can get it in at lunch. Hey, if you like it, save it, copy down the workouts, man, and give it a try yourself. Always starting the workout with a good warm up, man. Before I get it in, chest push day. Let's go. All right, here, still warming up. I'll take these 50s, keep warming up the chest, even though I'm at a crunch for time. I'm not gonna rush into it. That's how I've been hurt before, and that's the easy way to get hurt. Trying to hurry up and get up to those heavy weights, so always take your time. Always come in light and work your way up to something heavy. Today, I think I'll work up to about 110s on the dumbbell, so yeah, just make sure you're always starting light, warming that chest up, warming those shoulders up. It's big for me to warm my shoulders up because that's what gives me the most headaches when I'm lifting. Take it up to about, I don't know, I have to see just how the shoulder feel, bro. You feel? Okay. I'm gonna touch these 80s real quick, see what they do. It's a lunch workout, man. That's not feeling too crazy. Not too crazy after I go. Hundreds maybe. Monstrous. So that shoulder feeling weak, but it's annoying, man. Didn't know that we should. What I want to do is really start like taking care of these elbows, man. All the protective equipment. I'm 30, bro. I gotta get all the protective equipment I can. Keep my body healthy, but still, try to push the limit, get stronger. It's tough, man. You wanna go crazy, but that body, that helmet's gonna stop you. I'm gonna try to go 110, man. I'll just be trying to push myself. Try to go 110. The reason we can't hit these ones. Let's go. Man. I make this shit hard. Make this shit fucking hard.
much of a fight. The fight that was to get 10. Alright. I go to the nothing in it like me. Alright, so this used to be one of my go-to damn chest accessory. I consider it an accessory. I mean, I like it, particularly because I'm short and my feet don't touch the ground. And I feel like that I don't have any drive, right? Just my strength in my chest and triceps. There's no extra push. If you're gonna follow me or watch me for a minute, you'll see when I get to those last couple reps, I'm able to drive through. I attribute it to these type of workouts where I don't have leg drive. It used to be like a go-to, try to get back to it. Whereas I've been focused on strength, you know, during the bulk, actually trying to build my body, build out my chest. Going for the look now, not necessarily the numbers. Alright, I'm gonna try to buckle myself in on this one. I usually push myself up out of the seat. It's so much more than my body weight, I guess. Let's see how this actually works. That was an ugly face. My good reps, you feel me? Feel it. Feel it. This is gonna be a little bit harder. I'm gonna buckle in, but just challenge it. I'm not trying to go crazy. I'm just trying to put that muscle under stress. I don't care about the weight. I don't care about how clean necessarily the reps are. It's just not jerky. Still try to be controlling the reps, controlling the weight. I'm gonna try to touch something heavy. Let's get it. Hopefully we can get this done. If you can ever get this in the gym, you're golden. You're rare. The gym's empty enough, they have this stuff in close proximity to each other. Being this bench specifically. Good money. I might try to take it up just a little. One more notch here. I like the location. Just take it up a little bit. Good chest. Good chest.
All right, this is the last exercise of the workout, man. So like I said, I did this at lunch, man. Got it in real quick right before I head back to work. And I'll eat my meal at the desk. But yeah, give this a shot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Support the channel, man. Go to certifiedsavage.shop, man. Support the brand. And I appreciate y'all. I'm out.